Okay, we're going to work on the noise here. So we can get it to make the noise when we lean the motor this way. So we know the crank pin, the camshafts are really close. It only hits on the rear cylinder, and it's in the piston, not the valve train. So I don't know what it's hitting on. So lean it like that. It's right there. There is no more valves in the system right now. So whatever it is, right there, you can see it. See how it stops right there? It's actually clunking right there. Alright, so we got to figure out what it is, about 3/4 inch down from TD. So I'm going to pull this cylinder off. See if we can determine what it's hitting on. The rod is almost straight, and the piston's almost straight. No real load on anything in this particular spot. The lifters are nowhere near being maxed out. So I don't think it's in the valve train. It's something mechanical in the rod. I don't think it's a cam hitting, but I don't know. It's something. It might clearance itself or it might break.
It might be the skirt in the
No,
rod somewhere.
No, we're way up high. Piston's almost straight in the cylinder right now. That's the thing, we don't know what it is. It looks like Scooby's going to sleep right there. Yeah, show the camera. Scooby's sleeping. He ain't in the way at all. As long as you don't go backwards. He's sleeping with his eyes are wide open though. That stud does not like us. This stud up here was tight too. The forward one there. See. So it doesn't matter cylinder rotation. Oh, I keep forgetting about those gaskets. Fighting me. So there's nothing here to hit. It's wide open. There's nothing. There's nothing in the area to be doing anything. Ah, I know what it might be. Yep, that's what it is. The light at. Right here. See aluminum?
Oh yeah.
So we have to blend that in right there. So this is right up close. See the rod coming around? Oop. I'm hitting on it right now. See the rod is almost straight up now where it's going to be. So it's just catching that edge right there as it comes around. Just barely touching it. It would clearance itself, but maybe we should just knock that down. What do you think?
Yeah. Maybe put a red dot on it or something.
Yeah, I think we'll just knock that down right there. Oh, you can see the wear mark. It's in there.
Yeah.
You can feel it. It's got burred metal in it. All right, so we're going to radius that in a little bit more than what it is, and that should take care of it. See, that's our problem right there. See. All right. I already know we clearanced all the cams, and it only did it when we slid over this way.
Yeah.
That's when the rod and the crank slides close to this side. This side here, it's not hitting because the rod has got enough clearance on it. See, this side of the rod here is just a little more radius than this side over here. See, it looks like I already ground it right here a little bit. See how the rod looks like it's ground on?
Yeah.
This one hasn't been ground there yet, as much. And when I deburred it, so I just deburr the case now right there. We'll knock that down. That should take care of it. Got in play.
Mm-hmm. We didn't have that at first.
Yeah, we had to work a long time to get that in there. How much is that? We know this is about 17. So you put over there, pull over. It's less than this. Because normally I run 18 to 20. I know this is like 16 or 17. It won't go in. So that means we are running tighter than that. Even though it seems like there's 30 thou in there, it isn't. That's under 15. Or it could be 15. Because we got the roller bearings in there, we don't really need to have a lot of clearance. We just have enough room for expansion. And a little bit of flex. So as the flywheel's flex, you lose the clearances at the bottom. And that would tighten the case up, and that could be a problem. That's why you want a clearance in it. Okay. So, we can take off our rotation device. So anything else cosmetically you want to do on this before we put it together for real? We need to sand the rear piston here slightly more with a thou. You'll be happy with that. See, it's marked rear, and I scribed it rear.
Mm-hmm.
We had the lifters all working good. Cam's obviously clear now. So I think we're ready to go together. Good to do the cylinders. I know what you didn't spray. These will corrode if you don't spray them. Because they're going to be over here.
But they're inside, right?
No. Nope. I don't think so. They made to go over the guide. They don't go over the guide anymore because they got the coating on there. Somebody made them too precision. Don't make your parts too precision, it's going to coat it. Yeah. Those needed to be sprayed. Yeah, those are tight.
Yeah.
I can tap them down there without a problem. The problem is they're going to stick once they're in there.
But I can take them.
Or is that going to be on the inside? Let me see. That's going to sit.
That's inside the.
Oh, they are inside. We had the washers on top.
Yeah.
That's what we do.
They're inside.
I thought we were making spacers up. That's the valve collar. Are we just going to use the spacers in? We won't going to do anything other than this? These washers? Is that our game plan?
Yep.
Just go like that with the cover over it.
Mm-hmm.
So these are inside, they won't matter. I assume we're going to paint these black then so we don't have to see them.
Yeah. I can do that.
So we got two gaskets on each side, like that. This is our special short one for the intake. For this one, rear intake. Because that's the one that has a lifter block raised up on it.
Yeah.
Okay, so these have to be painted up.
Okay.
These are our lower collars. On top of those. Says our valve spacers. Assuming these all still fit together like they're supposed to. So we're running these underneath.
Mm-hmm.
What do you found over there?
Oh.
Okay. So those will fit in there like that. And we'll drop that on top of you. We got that on top of that. We got the spring on top of you. That one's already got a collar on it. Here's the setup right there, is what it looks like. There's the spring without the collar on it. Pop. Press fit. There's our upper collar. And assemble. Okay, so we'll get some paint on these. We can go ahead and get these done up here tonight. Tight. Alright, we'll be back.